Welcome to class, everyone. The video has started and I'm going over your comments. The people in blue are moderators. They are not bots. They are teaching assistants who are helping me to teach people about the important documentaries to watch as a follow-up, as homework. And I'm looking here to try to respond to as many comments as I can because it's really hard for me to see them normally. Now I've slowed the speed down to 45 seconds so people can only comment every 45 seconds so that I can have a chance of actually reading what's going on. So here's somebody that says, Zay, sorry, I don't understand what you mean by the rape of animals. What do you mean by that? Well, Zaya, an important thing to do is to watch the documentaries. Go and watch Dominion Movement and watch Earthlings and you'll understand exactly what we mean. We mean that people put their hands on the genitals of animals and force them to give their sperm, and they force them to be pregnant against their will. This is rape by definition. After that, they kidnap the babies if it is in, well, all kinds of animals, all kinds of industries kidnap the babies, and it's just way too much for me to explain right now. That's why you see Zactivist is here saying, watch Dominion, so you must do that. That's how you learn. So we have here somebody is saying, Hooper's saying, go vegan. That's great, Harry Hooper. And be vegan. That's great. Healthy food. Yeah. Okay. Pizza Girl is saying, don't come on here to try to get support if you're not vegan. Her dog is more thin than my pencil. Actually, Zellboy, I don't know what animal you've seen. You know, there's a lot of fake accounts. My dog Bella actually has been, is 66 pounds right now. She's actually about 10 pounds overweight compared to when we got her. So the doctor says she's fine actually, but we should really be careful. So no, she's definitely not underweight. If anything, she's slightly overweight, and it's very hard to say no to her because, you know, she gives us those puppy dog eyes and she loves vegan food. So let's just not stretch the truth. Let's not lie here. Let's just tell it exactly as it is. All right, so Has Vegan says, comments that encourage animal abuse will be deleted because it's important to let the space be more conducive to learning. Thank you. And Zach is reminding people to watch a site that's called Watch 3 Movies. Oh, it's gone now. I forget what it's called exactly. We have Miss Katie's teaching assistant. Animals deserve a Bill of Rights. There's no reason to hurt them or use them. This does not mean the right to vote, but it means the right to live. Thank you. That's a great comment right there. Excellent. Palestinian V is saying, learn the truth. Leo is saying, be vegan. The vegan lifestyle is better. It's great. Okay, here's Zach. He's saying again, oh, and it's gone. It goes so fast. I think I might have to slow this down even more for the next one. So here's somebody just showing a bug. I'm not sure what the point in that is. We'll see if a moderator shows it or not. Personally, I have no problem showing bugs because they're animals and animals are fine. It's fine to show animals and, oh, that's great. Eat these and love these. That's a great comment, Pizza Girl. And it brightens up the channel here. I really like that. I don't know what this is. Veganism is an NWO agenda. I don't know what that means, what kind of an agenda, but Zactivist is saying here to watch Endgame 2050 on YouTube and a Game Changers in Netflix. That's great. Twisted A is saying popcorn is vegan as long as it doesn't have butter on it. That's true. Somebody here says, I love hamburgers. Well, you know, we don't need to know that in class. Do not tell us that you like hamburgers. Tell us that you like vegan burgers. Tell us that you like bean burgers. And there's the person again, I love hamburgers. There's no point in writing that. Somebody's here saying hello. Well, that's fine that you're saying hello, but if everybody just comes and says hello, then we're not actually getting some quality comments. Remember, this is a vegan classroom. We're here to learn. We're here to share ideas about veggies you eat, fruits you eat, animals that you've saved. We're here to mention that milk is for babies, exactly, and adults shouldn't be drinking milk unless it's plant milk, and then it's totally fine. The egg industry, there was a, oh, that comment's gone. That went so fast. Okay, here, let's see if we can, 3movies.org is what Zactivist is trying to say here. I'll scroll up and let's see what else we've got here. Avocado Soup says, hi. Somebody else writes, shut up. Well, if you want us to shut up, then you can just simply leave. You know, there's a button. It's usually red. You could just press it and it means you get out of this site. You can go and watch any of the millions of other YouTube videos. So I don't think you really mean it. I think you actually kind of like being here. I'm not sure why you're writing bra, but that's no point in writing that. It's absolutely a waste of time. Be an animal defender. That is a great comment. Thank you, Has. Somebody says, this is BS. Well, if it is, then why are you here? Why are you here? This is a classroom. We're here to learn how to help the animals, how to save them from the terrible injustices that they are suffering through right now. And What's this say here? Cows are perfectly fine. They aren't close to extinction. They are perfectly stable. I own a cattle company and my cows are healthy. No, absolutely, this is a total lie. Anybody who owns a cattle company is basically saying that they're a slave owner. They force animals to be pregnant. They murder them, and that is a despicable person who wrote that comment. Do not believe anyone who works for the meat, dairy, and egg industries when they try to tell you that their animals are treated fine. That would be like Hitler saying, yeah, the Jews are being treated fine. Meanwhile, he's stuffing them into gas chambers. It's abhorrent. It's horrible. Somebody here writes hemp milk. Good idea. Hemp milk is milk that comes from a plant. That's totally fine. And here somebody says, don't eat snails or squirrels. Good idea. Don't eat them, right? And don't eat any other animals at all. Now, this person here is showing a bunch of different flags, which are, it's kind of cute. It's okay. And some fruit and veggies. That's okay. But, remember, we are not here to talk about LGBTQ issues right now. Right now, this is a vegan classroom, and you guys are the students, and these are the teaching assistants, and we are talking about the animals. That's the whole point of coming here and writing something. And again, somebody else says they're bored. So of course we know how boring that person is, because there's no reason in this world to ever be bored, Hook. There's so much to learn. There's so much history. Just the history of the animal rights movement could take you years to learn about. And there is so much about different wars and what the terrible people did to the Jewish people and how we should not continue this animal holocaust right now. Somebody else is saying, oh my goodness, what are they saying? It's my birthday. Okay, that's great, Stephanie. But you know what? We don't really care today. We don't even know who you are. So why are you here talking about yourself instead of the animals? Don't talk about yourself. Be vegan fantastic instead. Don't tell us it's your birthday. Tell us it's your happy vegan declaration day. Now that's telling us something. Because your birthday, you had nothing to do with it. Your mom just plopped you out of her vagina. Yeah, you really didn't do anything. But if you decide to be vegan, then that's great. Then that's your happy vegan declaration day, and you've actually done something to help the world. You've declared that you're going to stop paying people for the rape, torture, enslavement of innocent beings who never did a single thing wrong to you. Now that's a good thing to do. Dolphins die in the bycatch. That's right. That's why we should never be taking anything out of the sea. Don't eat animals that come from the sea. Don't eat any dolphins or whales or sharks or sea lions. Don't eat any fish. Leave them alone in there. That's their home. Let them figure this out. Pro-choice or pro-life? Well, this has nothing to do with veganism. We are talking about the animals right now, so that's not the topic. Let Bella go. She gets to get off leash often, and she, amazingly, she comes back. She seems to like hanging out with us. Chickens don't get her. What's this? Miss Katie. Oh God, it's so fast I can't read it. Hold on. Maybe they'll start down here. Okay, be vegan. Start now. Good. What else have we got here? What the hell is this? Okay, I guess, I don't know, Stephanie. We are a vegan classroom. That's what this is. We are learning about the animals. Love all the animals and keep them alive, says Pizza Girl. Thank you. That's a great comment. Somebody here, Cry to Pie, says be a non-vegan. Well, why would you say that? That's like saying, let's all go out and herd animals, and let's do that now. What kind of a human would say that? Just a cruel person. All right, let's see what else we have here. I have an actual question. Well, instead of saying that, avocado soup, just write your question. You see, right now I could be answering your question. Instead, I just see that you have a question. Then there's nothing for me to answer. Don't eat sheep or pigeons, says Has Vegan. Thank you. Don't eat cows, says Palestinian. That's great. Why the hell would I eat a fucking... Okay, so you can see that sometimes the comments are naturally held for review by YouTube itself, and I don't even have time to see them sometimes. Vegan phobic, where did it go? Vegan phobic messages will be deleted. That's right. Anything that is cruel, vegan phobic, racist, homophobic, we delete these messages. We are here to defend the innocent. We're here to defend the oppressed. What else do we have here? Someone says, I like apples. Well, that's great. That's great that you like apples, but this isn't about what you like. It's about what the animals need. We need to help them. So we have chinchilla here, put a bunch of fruits, and yes, one of the moderators highlighted them. That's great, because we want to promote fruits, veggies, and colorful. The comment section is great. Which fruit is better, plum or peach? Well, that is not the topic here. This, you know, McFlexel Boy Gaming, that all fruits and vegetables are all different. People like different ones. The important thing is not to pay people to hurt animals, and don't steal their milk or their eggs. Don't eat cows, eat fruit. Sexy Lexi, yes, very good. Excellent comment. Don't eat animals, says Palestinian. That's right. Very good. These are great comments. I'm not sure what this person has these flags here for. What on earth? Rad one, what does this have to do with anything? We are talking about the animals. Somebody writes, bruh, it's nature. Well, I don't know what this word bruh is, but it doesn't help at all in your sentence structure. How about instead you write what is nature instead of just the word bruh, which means zero. I never saw a swollen vegan. I don't know what that means. Maybe you mean an unhealthy one or an overweight one, but sure, there are overweight vegans. Some people just love eating so much, and my dog Bella is probably one of them. She's slightly overweight. Eat kangaroos or don't eat kangaroos or cows. Yes, thank you, Haz. That's a great comment. This activist says, if you claim to hate that vegan teacher so much, then why do you spend your valuable time watching, interacting with her content? An excellent point, which means that they don't actually hate me. They are somewhat intrigued. They are fascinated with all of your comments. You wonderful teaching assistants, you are helping so much. Hello, I'm watching with my dog. Okay, that's fine, I guess. I guess it means you like animals. Is that maybe a way you're trying to say that? Somebody says here, everyone who gives that vegan teacher a thumbs down is weak as fuck. Okay. Yeah, it probably means that they are not very strong, or they're just in shock. They don't really understand what's going on yet. I'm vegetarian. Is that okay? Nope. It is terrible to be vegetarian, Afreen. You are still paying people to rape, torture, and murder animals like cows. And you are also paying people to hurt the chickens and the baby chicks. Baby boy chicks are ground up in blenders. They are murdered at birth because they'll never be able to lay eggs in the industry. So do not be vegetarian. Being vegetarian is wrong. It is evil. Gonna go eat some pizza, says Autistic Ghost. Well, as long as it's vegan pizza made with vegan cheese, that's great. Fantastic. Do not put dead animals on your pizza, but you can put also vegan meats. They're very tasty. They can be spicy and delicious. We have a place that makes vegan pizza near us, and it is a wonderful treat. Just remember, though, that pizza still has often a lot of salt on it and a lot of oil. So, you know, it's something that you don't want to eat every day, but it's still at least not paying for the harm of animals. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here. Thank you to the moderators. If you haven't yet subscribed, please press the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Do, 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 do.